So you want to learn how to add a theme to your WordPress website. Super easy, so let's get started. What you want to do is log into your WordPress dashboard, and then from there you go to Appearance and then Themes. Under Themes, this is where it's going to display all of your currently installed themes, and if you want to add a new one, all you need to do is click on Add New Theme. And so we have two options here. The first option being you can go and scroll through all of the available themes that WordPress gives you. Alternatively, you could go and click on Upload Theme and then go click on Choose File. This will bring up your Windows Explorer where you would go and select your file that you want to upload. You can then simply just drag and drop that onto your choose file and click install now. Once the theme has been installed, you can either live preview or just click activate, and that's it. We are done. Your theme has been installed. If you find anything unclear and you have any further questions, drop a comment below and I will try and get back to you as soon as possible. Subscribing helps me help you, and so help me help you. Stay awesome.